Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm bringing you a new video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. In today's video, we're going to be lowering the F30 with some H&R springs. So I'm going to head out to the store first and buy some spring compressors so I can hold the springs. But before we do all that, we got to get some gas for the F30 because it is calling my name. So let me go ahead to the gas station and then we'll go pick up the spring compressor. Let's go. She is a little thirsty beast, so I can't wait to lower her, especially with the tent last mod I just did. Can't wait to get rid of some of that gap. That's a whole lot better, guys. Now let's go get the spring compressors. All right, guys, so I just picked up the spring compressors, and it's crazy what's going on in the world right now. A lot of y'all guys, I hope all y'all staying safe, but this is our time. If anybody staying home, this is our time to finish our project cars. I'm still working every day, so it's nothing different for me, but for those guys that are staying home, this is time to work on your car, take some time and do something you like off of work and whatever. But yeah, it's crazy just to pick up this spring compressors. I had to wait a big line, but man, the world's getting crazy out here, guys. Stay safe. Okay, guys, so here's the F30 stock height. I just want to show you how high it is. I know the H&R springs are not going to be the lowest drop. I think it goes like 1.6, but to be honest, I don't want to drop it all the way. Maybe in the future I am going to get bags for it, but for right now I think just a 1.6 drop with the H&R springs are going to be enough. I did get the super sport springs, so they go a little bit lower, but check out the tent, guys. The tent looks so good, and also with the little carbon fiber mods I added in the last video. So if you didn't look at that video, go check that one out. The link will be down below. But let me go ahead and show you the springs, and shout out to H&R because they do deliver really fast. Even with this coronavirus going on, they do ship it really fast. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna set y'all right here, but this is the H&R box I ordered from Turner Motorsports. Everything that I'm buying, I will have the list down in the description. Everything dealing with the F30, same thing with the Thomas E92 335i. I just want to link everything I buy down below in the description. So let me go ahead and open it. If you did watch the last video, y'all will know that I already opened the box. But here are the H&R springs. Looks pretty good. I like the color red since it's gonna match my interior. They provided little stickers from H&R, and also they send me some forms or whatever with ECS tuning. Shout out to ECS tuning. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm super happy I did get the super sport spring because they also are red and gonna match my interior a whole lot better. Just little tiny details, but that's a lot of me talking. Let me go ahead and jack up the car and see what we're dealing with. Alright, guys, so this is what we're dealing with. All we gotta do is take the strut bolt out, the sway bar link. I was calling this the shift link and when I was installing Thomas BC coilovers, and 3 nuts on top, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, guys. I'm not gonna record too much of it because, you know, I also did just drop a video of me installing Thomas BC coilovers. So if you haven't checked that out, check that out too. It'll be down below. But that's all we're working with. Let me go ahead and take this off right quick. And just like that, guys, for y'all was like 20 seconds. For me, it was like 20 minutes, but I got the first strut out. And all I'm gonna do is replace this with the H&R springs. It's about to go a little bit lower. So super excited. Can't wait till I get finished. And just like that, guys, I just got the springs out. As you can tell, the H&R springs sits way lower than the stock spring. That was pretty easy. I think anybody can do it. But you can tell the height difference. Hopefully it drops a little bit than 1.6. Hopefully maybe I'll get 2 inches if I'm lucky. But I'm about to go ahead and put everything back together and then put the strut back on and deal with the other side. Whew. It feels good today, guys. It's very sunny. But guys, what I finished last night, I got this spring installed. Now all I gotta do is use the spring holders and take this spring out and then put the new spring out, and then we can lift up we can put them back on the car, and then we can go ahead and do the rear guide. guys, so I almost got this on. It was pretty easy. All you gotta do is use the jack to raise the control arm, line up these 3 bolts, and then I'll get some cinematics of how these H&R springs look. It looks pretty good. I'm super excited. I want it with some H&R springs. Hopefully this gets me pretty low. I know it's only like 1.6 inches, but hopefully it makes a difference. Okay guys, so I just finished installing the springs on the front, and it's kind of a little bit lower. It's not too much. I was expecting a little bit more, but I mean, you can't complain because it still looked pretty good. If my car looks too bright, it's because I raised the brightness on the camera. It's very sunny out here, but you can tell the difference. You see that major tire gap in the back, and in the front, just a little tire gap, not too much. Not I can live with that. It's not crazy like Thomas E92. Maybe I was expecting to get some fitment like Thomas, where he's tucking, but I'm completely fine. You can really tell. Just take a look at the back of the tire. You can fit about 4 fingers in there, being stock height, and in the front you can only probably fit by like 1 or maybe 2. So not pretty bad. Hopefully it goes a little bit lower once I install the 2 rear ones, but super happy right now. Let me go ahead and start on the back. Alright guys, so I just finished lowering the other side. I'm gonna give you a little short tutorial. I'll just show you what you gotta take off for this side, for the rear, and that's pretty much it. It's kind of low. I mean, it's still got tire gap. It's only like $250. I'll have everything linked down below in the description if you want to buy them yourself. But H&R springs, I heard a lot of good reviews about them, so I'm gonna give it a try. And maybe in the future, if I want to go lower, I'll probably just end up getting bags, because I don't want to have like BC coilovers and dry static no more. I kind of want to upgrade to bags. But let me go ahead and show you what you gotta do for this side, and then I'll show you how the car looks fully lowered. So this is what you gotta do, guys. All you gotta do is take this cover out. It's 410 mils, and then you gotta take the shock bolt and the control arm bolt, and the whole thing comes out, and it'll be easy. So let me go ahead and do this right quick, and I'll show you once I got everything out. Yo guys, I don't know how long it's been since I installed the H&R string, maybe like a week, but since we have quarantine and all that, I can't go out, so I wasn't able to record the rest of the video. But today I'm gonna be able to show you how the F30 looks, and I gave it like a week, and maybe the H&R spring settled a little bit lower, but I think the car looks good. I'm actually very happy with this height. I think I'm gonna rock it for a while until I get some bags. I am currently looking for some wheels. I'm not in a rush to getting wheels, but man, this car changed being lowered, and I think it looks super good. So let me go ahead and show you that, guys. Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and show you how the car looks, and here how it looks completely fully lowered. I don't know if you can tell. This is after, and I'll show you a clip before. Before you could fit 4 fingers in the front. Now it's maybe 1.5. You can't really fit the 2 fingers no more, and the back changed dramatically too. I know I recorded a clip before showing 4 fingers. Now it's 1.5, the same thing. It looks super good, guys. Let me know what you think. I 100% recommend H&R spring. It rides smooth. No lights came on. It looks absolutely good. It looks like a whole different car. It looks much more sportier. Everything's starting to come together, guys. It looks absolutely good, and I can't wait to show y'all what wheels I want to go with, guys. I think a lot of y'all guys gonna like the wheels, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the video once I'm in a different location, because I'm at my parents' house and I'm just spending time with the family, since I haven't been able to do that a lot lately. So I'll pick the video in a few. Okay guys, so I just got to my home. I don't really want to record a lot because I do live in an apartment complex, and people just give me shit if I'm outside working on my car. But you can tell the car looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna get a couple cinematics. I don't want to be making too much noise out here. There go the E46 right there. Shout out to E46. I'm gonna be selling that soon. But I hope you guys enjoy the cinematics, and here we go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because people were staring at me and I hate that. I can't wait to move out of this apartment complex. It's coming soon. I'm gonna be getting a new apartment. Hopefully I can record in that driveway, because in this driveway I can't really record nothing because they start complaining. So I always gotta drive to my parents' house and record over there. But with that being said guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because I got some VRS parts coming for the F30 next. I'm gonna do a video of hidden features on your F30 or any F chassis. And also Thomas got a front mod that's going to dramatically change his car, and it looks really good. I can't wait to install that. We'll probably be working on that tomorrow. So that's pretty much it guys. If you're new to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, and as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.